What's up, guys? Welcome back to another badass video from the N26 320i BMW. Anyways, before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, make sure you press the like. If you have any comments, shoot me a comment. Anyway, so I'm super duper mega excited. So today, what we're gonna go ahead and do, some rotors, upgraded the rotors and the pads. So I went ahead and ordered some rotors from ECS Tuning and ceramic pads, because the ones that they come with it with the car, they're kind of nasty. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's the back side. So even though it looks good, I just changed the pads not so long ago, so they still has some meat on it. See that? They still has some meat on that. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and change the upgraded rotors. It's gonna be black, like the color of the car. So we're gonna go ahead and put some spacers. See, you see how tires kind of zoom in inside? You could barely tell. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, put some spacers on this. We're gonna go ahead and do, I believe, 13 in the back. No, my bad. We're gonna do 15 in the back and 13 in the front. See that? So you see how it's gonna zoom in a little bit? You see that? It's gonna zoom, so it's gonna be popping out. It's gonna be more aggressive look. See that? You can barely see it. All right, so let's go ahead and show you what I got. All right, guys, what's up? So we are back here. So I'm gonna show you guys the rotors, the sensor, and the pads that come with the package. So I went to R1 Concepts. I ordered the ceramic pads along with the upgraded rotors. So let's show you the pads. Man, super excited, man. Check it out. So we got the pads. See? There you go. Nice package. Very well done. So we'll put this inside. Man, when you do your brakes, make sure you get your set of rotors. I mean, not rotors, but sensors. Replace the sensors. Okay. Now, let me show you this puppy. It's kind of heavy, so this is the rotors. So this is the rotor I was talking about. Look at that finishing. I mean, it's black, matches the car. Man, that looks poppy. Super excited to put this puppy on the N26, and it's supposed to be better performance than the stock ones. And anyways, I need to change the rotors. I have over 100,000 miles, so it's time to do the rotors. So if you can do the rotors, just go ahead and upgrade it. This little puppy, man, you're gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. So anyways, since we're gonna do that, I decided to go and add some spacers to the car. So we're gonna go ahead. I went ahead and went to the ECS Tuning. I put the link down below so you guys can see the products that I got from them. We're gonna do 12.5 in the front, and we're gonna do 15 in the back. So this is the 15 spacers from ECS Tuning. So we got that. One thing I want to mention: make sure to order your pair of bolts, the one you're gonna be using from the spacers, because the one from the car, it ain't gonna work. So it's gonna be really short and you're stuck with them and you're not gonna use it. So make sure, if you're gonna get spacers, get the right size for the spacers for the bolt. So here's one, and yeah, see this one, 12, yeah. So we got 15 and we got 12.5 in the front, 15 in the back. So man, and they're really light, man. I like this, and the product's really nice. Look at that. Check it out. I love it. You could never go wrong with ECS Tuning, anyways. So we're gonna go to my friend's shop. He's gonna help me do the brakes, because your boy still don't know how to do brake pads. But I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna go to his shop. He's gonna show me also, and I gotta be started, doing this stuff by myself, But anyways, guys, let me show you. So, all right. Look at that, guys. What do you guys think? Woo wee! That's gonna look popping. So, and with the spacers, you see how it's gonna zoom in a little bit. Well, the spacer's gonna be a little bit more up. All right, guys, let's get going. All right, that homie Tony's right there. Big guy with it. What's up? All right, guys. So here are all the parts. I got full rotors, spacers, brake suspension sensors.
Yeah. I told you to bring your own.
That's coming out clean, bro. Seriously.
Hey, I like the black rotors. Too low. Yeah.
So check it out, guys. ECS tuning, man, that looks popping. So right now that homie's doing the other side.
Come here,
Let's
Mark.
go, peeps. Dude, that looks nice, bro. Especially with the logo, bro.
Yeah, the logo looks cool.
All right, guys, welcome back. So we are back, and man, it looks more aggressive. It looks badass. I love it. So let me show you what we did. We went ahead and put some 15 size spacers in the back, 12.5 in the front. So, and of course, we got the upgraded rotors with ceramic pads. So, man, let me show you how it got. Here we go. Man, that looks popping. That's the back, and this is the front. Wow, look. And it looks more aggressive now. It's not more synced in from the fenders and stuff. So if you're looking here from the side, I put some before and after pictures. So this is, so let me show you guys. See, it pops out more. You can't go wrong with the ECS tuning spacers. Good quality, and man, I love it. Looks badass. So there you go, guys. All right, guys, so there it is. So far, so good. The N26, it's getting improvement. Soon we're gonna start working the M2 front bumper, the M Sport Performance back bumper, the side skirts, and all the little mods that I have coming soon. So anyways, I hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification, and of course press like and any comments. I'll make sure I put a links on all those rotors and pads and spacers put into my car. If you guys are interested, you know, just check them out. But anyways, guys, respect one another, help each other out, and until next time, peace out.